Hi everybody, Dearborn Heights Fire Marshal here, Max Mitz, here with Alec Bills. If you ever wonder what a fireman does all day, come on out. October 2nd, 1999, Beach Daily from 10 to 2. We're having an open house. So we've got 5 different props that we're gonna have set up, and we're gonna do scenario-based stuff. We'll teach you what we do, when we do it, and how we do it correctly. So right now, Bill's gonna break out the window, simulated. And there could be superheated gas above him right now coming out of that window. He's gonna actually hook himself, bail out of this window, and safely descend to the ground. So by the point that this happens, we've completely lost control of a situation. We gotta get him out safely. We never want that to happen, but we train like it would. And all these props do come from individuals that have lost their life in the line of duty. September 11th is very important to us, so we train even harder. Month of September, October's Fire Safety Month, but please come on out, October 2nd. We'll have vehicle demonstrations, stuff for the kids. Every year they do a theme. It's learn the sound of fire, learn your smoke detectors, the little beep sounds, the loud sounds mean smoke, get out. But once again, October 2nd, 1999, Beach Daily, 10 to 2, come on out, Fire Open House.